Welcome to Whippoorwill Holler. I'm Miss Lori and this is Mr. Brown. We live in the hills of Arkansas. We love the Lord. Keepers of the old way, but accept some of the new. We love to cook and we love to eat. We love to garden. It's in our blood. It's how we stay sustainable and fill our pantry. We do a lot of canning and preserving. We live a sustainable life. We love our family. We work hard. And every once in a while, we like to dance. So y'all join us. We're doing all the preparation to sit down and give thanks. To be with family. Enjoy through all the pies we made. I kind of cut back this year. I only had half of the family here, so we just made a few pies. So we made a homemade pear pie out of our pear pie filling that we put up this summer. I'm using disposable pie pans. Just makes everything a little bit easier. And the kids can take dessert home in them. And of course the banana pudding. The homemade cornbread dressing. And always pumpkin pie. The homemade mashed potatoes, grandkids, and homemade cookies. All the fall decor that we love so much. Old man turkey, primitive decor, and having a lot of fun. The recipes, and of course, our last camp out on the side of the riverbank till winter hits. We loved every minute of it. Paul caught a little trout. And now it's time for the next holiday, Christmas and get-togethers. Merry Christmas to me. Instead of going Black Friday shopping, which is something we don't do, I found this on eBay. This is a antique shaker style sugar bucket. This is what they would keep their sugar in. And it's called it's Firkin, I believe, or En, I can't believe, I think it's In. It's a shaker style, and it's called a Firkin shaker style sugar bucket. Firkin, I believe. Anyways, I've been wanting one. So there's my Christmas present. And it's old. And I love it. And I'm actually going to keep sugar in it. I won't put my sugar down there. I'll put a liner in it. My friend Debbie from Texas, she has a lot of antique primitive shaker style stuff in her house, and I just love it. So I think she gets on eBay a lot and looks, but not for everything. But I was getting on there and I found quite a few things that I was kind of wanting. So that's my Christmas presents. And I ordered a couple other things, and I'll show them to you sometime too. It's a shaker style sugar bucket.
So today is the first fire that we've built in the month of November. My beautiful wife has been bugging the fire out of me to build her a fire. And I've been putting it off. I like saving all that wood I can save. It just got down to about 27 degrees last night. But she mentioned to me before she went to bed that she wanted some fried bacon and eggs for breakfast. So old man got up this morning, built a fire, and I'm cooking her breakfast. We got bacon. We've got top of the stove toast that's looking really good. I guess we're probably gonna have some of that homemade plum jelly that you've made. We're gonna have some eggs, and everybody's gonna fuss at me because I don't have this in an iron skillet, but this is a skillet that I seen and I grabbed, and I like cooking in it, so it's on the stove this morning. And we're gonna start frying some eggs. My big fingers, afraid I'm gonna bust it. So, Miss Lori, how's that breakfast Paul fixed?
There's something about food cooked on a wood cook stove. Why is it always better? Kind of like when you cook out on the fire, huh? I don't know. It's really good, thank you. This is our first breakfast, or any meal cooked on the wood cook stove this winter. Is it winter yet, or is it still fall?
Well,
feels like winter this morning, but
we've had some 20-degree weather, but it's been getting up. Yesterday only got about 50 degrees, but
yeah.
But Paul's trying to save his wood, so.
Well, here, during the day it gets so warm that you don't need it, and you just have to let it die down and then come back and build another fire. So we haven't been really needing it much, except at night maybe a little bit. We just use a little heater at night. So
we just been knocking the chill out of the air, kind of enjoying it, but
I just really been wanting to get a fire going, and he did.
You really been wanting it, and I was letting you sleep in, wasn't I?
Yes, you did. Thank you. I've been needing it, but
I got up about 5:30, and then I went outside and gathered up stuff and built a fire and waited around, made some coffee, and
so that was our first fire in the wood cook stove.
And we had our first breakfast off of it for a while.
Good. Thank you. It's really good. For some reason I was just craving bacon and eggs this morning, or last night. So I had to wait till this morning, but it's really good. Paul done got hot cooking on that wood cook stove. He's sitting out here on the steps drinking his coffee. It's pretty warm in there. It'll get up to probably the high 50s today. We won't need no fire. Just enjoying his coffee. Camper's put up for the winter. I'm really sad too. He's winterized it. And we're needing to get a shed built for it, but don't know that we'll get it done this winter yet. But we do have it covered. I usually have my flag taken down by fall. But I don't know. I've just been leaving it up. Doing a lot of praying about what's going on in this world. So it just seemed fit to leave my flag flying. For all those that are trying to oversee and to help other countries, people we know, your family and friends. God bless us all.